Hi. By the end of this video, you'll be smarter than Warren Buffett, luckier than Forrest Gump investing into Apple, and have extraordinary perception. Most importantly, you'll know how to trade options. Yippee! And I know if you watched some previous explanation videos on trade options before, you've probably left the video thinking,
Get out of here.
what?
Get out of here.
But don't worry, I was exactly in your place before, and I know that's exactly why I'm actually making this video. It's because I'm annoyed that people aren't actually learning from those videos. So the first step is using an investing platform. So I use Robinhood, so we'll be using that. Go to your settings, which is the person icon. Go to the three lines at the top left. Go to investing, then scroll all the way down to options trading and upgrade to level 2. And now you could trade options. Now here's the difference between a stock share and a trade option. Let's say a stock share price is at $350 and you had one of them, which means you paid $350 to buy that one share. Well, it goes up $5. Guess what? You've made $5 profit. Now let's talk about a trade option now. Preferably a call option. It goes up $5 from $350. It goes to $355, same as the stock share. Guess what? You made $500. Whoa. Now, before I explain it heavily, this analogy that I'm about to talk about will make it extremely easier to understand what's coming up afterwards. So, bear with me. You go into a grocery store and look at so many different options. You see different brands, but you know one of them is just better than the rest, right? So you get that one. You get your product and look at the expiration date, and you're like, whoa, this expires in 2 weeks. But you realize it was cheaper than the other ones because it expires in 2 weeks rather than a couple months out. So you get the one that doesn't expire for another couple months, even though it was more expensive. But you know it doesn't expire for a while, that's why you get it, so you don't have to throw it away, and you know you'll be able to finish it before it expires. Because once something expires, you have to get rid of it, even if you wasted your money. Now, back to trade options. Now that you've enabled them in your settings, I'm pretty sure, right? Let's look at NVIDIA. Remember expiration dates? Guess what these are? Exactly. Each of these trade options expire weekly on Fridays, meaning you'll have to get rid of it before that expiration date, before it's completely worthless. The further expiration dates means the more expensive it is, and the closer to expiration date means the cheaper it is. So let's look at NVIDIA. The current price is $131.25. Let's say you bought a share of NVIDIA for that $131.25. If it went up to $141.25 after you bought it, that would be $10 profit, meaning you pocketed $10. Now, this call option is $132 to buy one, which is pretty much the same thing as buying a share, except this call option has an expiration date, as you see it at the top, June 21st. If we look at this specific call option, it costs $132. The break even is $138.30. The break even is what you need it to be above by that time of expiration. But every dollar that it does go above that break even is $100 profit. So if it went to $139.30, that's $100 profit. If it went up to $140.30, $200 profit. And you would have made that with just spending $132. And you would have gotten your money back. For example, here's a screen of what options will look like once you buy it. And here's mine. I bought 50 contracts, each for the price of $15. Each. Meaning one contract costs $15. I bought them June 8th, and the expiration date was a month later, July 14th, which was a Friday. The break-even price was $45.15, and the current price was $48.66. So that's a $3 difference. Since a dollar above a break-even is worth $100, each contract ended up being worth $385. So $385 times 50 equals the $18,500. Hopefully I did a good job explaining everything to you guys. It's my first time really explaining anything, but I just felt I needed to make this video because I see other YouTube videos explaining trade options, but I'm watching it and I'm like, no one that doesn't know anything about stocks is going to understand this, especially with the terms that they use when explaining. So thank you guys for watching. Leave comments if you have any questions or any stories or something, and subscribe if I helped, and follow me on Instagram or even send me money. I probably won't upload for another year or two. This video was very, I wasn't expecting to make this video, but I just got the urge to make it because I've seen so many YouTube videos and it annoyed me. So yeah, I just needed to make this video, and I think it's really necessary to help those in need that want to learn trade options, but they just haven't been taught in an easy to understand way yet. Until now, hopefully. I promise you guys it's extremely easy to trade options. And if you need a starting amount, how much can I use at first? I'd probably say 500. 500 is a good starting amount because I made $18,500 and $3,000 of that was in an hour and 27 minutes. So yeah, you could literally 500 is more than enough, I'd say. I'm self-taught. I went through everything on my own and found what worked for me. So yeah, if you have any questions, just ask. And I'm going to add some more important information in the description, so check it out. And thank you for watching.